Hey kids, welcome to KBD Toys TV. Today we're going to be unboxing 3 Mickey Mouse and Company surprise eggs. Alright kids, let's open up egg number 1 and find out what is inside this awesome looking egg. Merry Christmas everybody! In each of these eggs is a toy you can hang on your Christmas tree, and you can collect all 10. What do we have here? Another Clarabelle to hang on our Christmas tree. Alright kids, let's open up egg number 2 and find out what Mickey is hiding inside this egg. I sure can't wait to share this chocolate with my whole family. And it looks like we have another Huey, Dewey, and Louie. I think they're ready to go out caroling with their blue, green, and red sweaters on. Alright kids, it's time for our last and final egg, egg number 3. Hey Mickey, do you love Christmas? Uh-huh. And it's another Clarabelle cow to add to our collection. We are going to have an awesome Christmas tree this year decorated with Mickey Mouse and Company. Alright guys, let's get together and take a group photo. And there you have it kids. Thanks for watching KBD Toys TV. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, rate, and check out these other awesome videos from KBD Toys TV. Talk to you later. Bye.